Welcome to Math Challenge 295. Math Challenge brings you interesting math quiz problems, questions and patterns, useful for junior and senior levels of national and international Olympiads, numerical reasoning and quantitative aptitude tests, and other competitive exams. Here is an interesting problem based on purely elementary numerical reasoning. A 4-digit number is multiplied by 4. None of the digits is 0. The product has the same digits in reversed order. That is, A, B, C, D multiplied by 4 gives D, C, B, A. We have to find the 4-digit number. None of the digits is 0. Time, 1 minute. Given A, B, C, D into 4 is equal to D, C, B, A. The highest 4-digit multiple of 4 is 9996. DCBA is equal to or less than 9996. Or ABCD is equal to or less than 9996 divided by 4. That is, ABCD is equal to or less than 2499. Hence, A is equal to or less than 2. So, A is equal to 1 or 2. But DCBA, being a multiple of 4, cannot be odd. Its last digit, A, cannot be 1. So, A is equal to 2. Writing 2 in place of A, we get 2BCD into 4 is equal to DCB2. Now, 2 into 4 gives D is equal to 8 without carry, or D is equal to 9 with carry. Let us check with both values for D. If D is equal to 9, 2BC 9 into 4 is DCB2. But 4 into 9 is 36, which gives 6 in units place. So, it cannot be 9. If D is equal to 8, 2BC 8 into 4 is DCB2. Yes, 4 into 8 is 32, which gives 2 in units place. So, D is equal to 8. Writing A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 8, we get 2BC 8 into 4 is equal to 8CB2. 4 into B gives no carry, else product would have been 9,000s. So, B is equal to 1 or 2. However, B cannot be 2 because firstly, product 8CB2 is equal to 8C22, last 2 digits 22, isn't a multiple of 4. Secondly, the value 2 has already been assigned to A. So, B is equal to 1. 21C8 into 4 is equal to 8C12. Now, let us multiply and check. 4 into 8 is equal to 32, we write 2 and carry 3. Then, 4 into C plus carry 3 is equal to a number with 1 in units place. This is possible only with 2 or 7. 4 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 11. 4 into 7 plus 3 is equal to 31. As 2 has already been assigned to A, we get C is equal to 7. So we have A is 2, B is 1, C is 7, and D is 8. We can check. 2178 into 4 is equal to 8712.